Ever wondered how certain behaviors, cognitions, and emotions originate from specific brain structures or regions? The answer lies in the fascinating realm of localization of brain function. This theory posits that our behaviors, thoughts, and emotions are birthed within particular areas of our brain. Imagine the brain as a grand orchestra. Each musician has a specific role, a particular instrument to play. Similarly, each part of our brain has its own role, cultivating our behaviors, thoughts, and emotions. Diving into the annals of scientific history, we find Wilder Penfield, a pioneer who made some of the earliest discoveries about localized brain functions in the 1930s. His studies on epilepsy patients during brain surgery, where he stimulated specific spots on the cerebral cortex and recorded the thoughts and feelings reported by the patients, were groundbreaking. Fast forward to the turn of the century, we encounter a study conducted by Maguire and her team in 2000. They took a unique approach to exploring the localization of brain function. Their subjects, London taxi drivers, their tool, MRI scans. The taxi drivers' brains were of particular interest due to their extensive training in learning London's complex network of streets. The researchers hypothesized that this would result in hippocampal growth. 16 taxi drivers, all men, were recruited with factors such as age, intelligence, driving experience, handedness, and reasoning skills matched between the experimental and control groups. The average age was 44, and they had been driving taxis in London for roughly 14 years. Now, what did the MRI scans reveal? The taxi drivers had significantly increased grey matter volume in the right and left hippocampus compared to the control group. This remarkable finding suggests that the brain structure can adapt in response to environmental demands. But the study didn't stop there. When compared to London bus drivers, the taxi drivers had less grey matter volume in their anterior hippocampi and struggled with acquiring or retrieving new visuospatial information. It seems that while they were experts in navigating London's streets, this expertise came with a trade-off, compromising their ability to handle new spatial information. To summarize, Maguire's study provides compelling evidence for the localization of brain function, demonstrating that specific brain regions are indeed associated with particular functions. It also highlights the dynamic nature of our brain, able to adapt and change in response to our experiences and demands. So the next time you marvel at the skill of a London taxi driver navigating the city's labyrinthine streets, remember, there's a whole lot of brain power, specifically hippocampal growth, behind that expertise.